Today, I wanna make 3 different pasta salad. Stay tuned. Here is my knife. Use any pasta shape you like. Add salt to the boiling water and then add pasta. Do not forget to cook the pasta completely. Apply a little olive oil and let it cool. Pasta salad with pesto sauce. Fry the peanuts with a little olive oil and salt on low heat. Start the first step of mixing with pouring red onion, basil, parsley, sour lemon, olive oil, garlic into the food processor. In the second step, add Parmesan cheese, thyme, black pepper, salt and toasted peanuts and mix. This texture makes the sauce much more attractive. Mix pasta, sauce and cherry tomatoes in a deep bowl. Pasta salad with Italian dressing. Pour olive oil into the bowl. Add mustard, sour lemon, a little white vinegar, garlic, honey, Parmesan cheese, oregano, dried basil, black pepper, salt and fresh parsley to it. Put the lid on and stir well until it becomes an emulsion. This sauce is amazing! For topping, chop cucumber, red onion, cherry tomatoes, green chili pepper and salami. Pour pasta, chopped ingredients, parsley, olives and sauce into a deep bowl and stir gently. I'm sure this pasta will be in your favorite list. Pasta salad with mayo sauce. Cut the ham, celery, pickle, spring onion and dill into the pieces you like. In a deep bowl, pour pasta, chopped ingredients, canned vegetables, sour lemon, salt, black pepper, mayonnaise, oregano and mustard sauce and mix well. These 3 salads are popular at the parties and celebrations. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Love you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you all next time.